Trivago Affiliate Program Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to today's video, where we'll be reviewing the Trivago Affiliate Program and my experience using it. Links to sign up and learn more are in the description below. Trivago is a leading hotel meta-search engine that allows users to compare hotel prices from multiple booking sites, including Expedia, Booking.com, and Hotels.com. Their affiliate program, managed through the CJ Affiliate Network, offers content creators and website owners a way to earn commissions by referring users to Trivago's hotel search platform. The main advantage of the Trivago affiliate program is its strong brand recognition and high conversion rates. Since Trivago doesn't directly handle hotel bookings, but instead redirects users to booking platforms, affiliates earn commissions based on clicks rather than completed hotel stays. This CPC, cost per click model, is different from most travel affiliate programs that pay only when a booking is completed. This means you can generate earnings even if the visitor doesn't complete a reservation, making it easier to see consistent income. The program offers a 30-day cookie duration, meaning that if a visitor returns and completes a booking later, you still get credited. Trivago also provides affiliate tools like customizable banners, deep linking options, and a search widget to seamlessly integrate into your website or content. Additionally, the analytics dashboard in CJ Affiliate helps track clicks, earnings, and performance trends. One downside is that CPC earnings can vary based on location and traffic quality. If your audience primarily consists of visitors from regions with low advertiser demand, earnings may be lower compared to higher demand markets. Additionally, since Trivago is a meta-search platform rather than a direct booking site, commissions are usually lower than programs like Expedia or Booking.com, which pay a percentage of the booking amount. Overall, the Trivago affiliate program is a great choice for travel bloggers, hotel review websites, and content creators looking for a simple, high-converting way to monetize traffic. If your website drives significant hotel-related searches, Trivago's CPC model can be a reliable income source. Check out the links in the description to sign up and start earning with Trivago today.